We began with what's happening to the north, and when you look at Sault Ste. Marie, it's one of the areas that will be getting in on some of the snow, as well as portions of Michigan. The UP of Michigan, both spots is what I should say, rather, when we're talking about Michigan, getting in on the action. It is chilly. Temperatures are into the mid-20s, feeling more like the teens in both spots here that you see from Paradise all the way to Sault Ste. Marie. Area of low pressure is well to the north, and anytime we talk about a Clipper system, these are moisture starved. They start right over a continental air mass, and they don't have a lot of moisture to work with. There's where it is. So I'll start wide so you can see where the storm is specifically. You go in a little bit tighter. There's that area of low pressure as well. Some strong winds behind that. Now, fast-moving system will add a couple of inches of fresh snow downwind, especially of Lake Superior and off of Lake Michigan, so mostly the UP of Michigan, northern Michigan as well, and a little bit of a wintry mix that we watch. We could get a glazing of ice with that 1 to 2 inches of fresh snow. This also includes spots downwind of Lake Erie and Ontario. This is moving through portions of central PA. Central PA, believe it or not, could use the snow. We are in a bit of a deficit. Western PA doing okay, but the central portion of the state could use it. The system moving through quickly. We've got a little bit of warm air moving in from the south that's giving us that wintry mix. So where that warm air is nosing in over the colder air, you're getting that light glazing of ice. The winter weather advisory goes through this morning for northern Michigan, and again, a couple of inches here. Winter weather advisory goes through this evening for New England all the way into portions of New York, upstate New York, portions of western New York, into Connecticut and into the Hudson Valley. Now, as far as New York City, not included in that. You could see some light flurries in and around the metro, but most of this is not going to be real measurable. 12 o'clock in the afternoon, the center of the storm continues to swing on over the Great Lakes, and you see some of the moisture move over even places like the Jersey Shore. So any snow that you get from northern New Jersey up into New York will be quick, and then you get a little bit of rain behind that. Notice New England getting in on the snow yet again, and man, when you're talking about New England, we just can't get a bit of a break. There is a fine rain snow line just south of Boston, so watching closely there because it will be difficult to treat some of the roads. And again, it's not a lot of snow, but it is enough to mess up the commute for many of you. Higher elevations from Vermont to Maine getting in on the action, and look at the snow cover. It's tough. A lot of crews have been working nonstop to clear the snow, and it is still out there. And you'll notice that central PA does have a lack of snow from the snow cover. Plus, in general, the western half of PA doing fine with 12 inches above where we would normally see those totals. It's just one example. Over to Sault Ste. Marie doing very well as well. We talked about some of those wind gusts behind the system, and some of those wind gusts will be 30 to 40 miles per hour. So any little bit of light snow that is falling will be blowing around. And again, it's not heavy snow, but it's enough to cause a slowdown. By the overnight hours, most of the gustier winds, about 30 to 40 miles per hour, will be moving right across portions of New England.